This is a video demonstration of a debris problem that commercial dust mops encounter daily. They're encountering debris other than dust, such as lightweight trash, papers. This material gets driven over the mop head, forcing the custodian to go back and re-clean the area. After the custodian sweeps the floor, a floor scrubber comes by and it'll suck up this trash that's left behind. I've designed a simple attachment for your dust mop that will clip onto the front and will allow the custodian to make one pass, cleaning their hallways more efficiently. This product will save great time in the janitorial industry and will keep your equipment lasting longer.